Here is the back garden 2021. It is August 4th. Things have taken a little bit longer than I thought they were going to come in for like zucchini and cucumber, but the lettuce has done great. The peas did okay. Not sure why they didn't like this year, but that's what happens. My bean trellis is awesome. I think next year on both sides I'll plant the purple beans. The other side, on the right side here, are kidney beans and black beans or turtle beans. And they're more of a bush, not a pole bean, so they don't really need all that space to grow up. So I'd like to fill that whole thing in with purple beans next year. Then we've got some, oh no, I forget, Brussels sprouts. So they are a little bit small now because they were planted about a month or so ago, and they're cool weather crops, so we won't harvest them till November. Got some celery, and then we've got some, I think they're black carrots, and they color your hands when you use them. I like to leave my carrots until the first frost to make them sweeter. And got some little finger carrots in the back. Way in the back is some stuff going to seed, radishes and beets, which I let some go to seed so I can save them for next year. Then we've got lots of broccoli that are extremely tall this year. I think high in nitrogen back here. But I've been getting an okay amount of broccoli and cauliflower, not as much as I hoped as I would like to have gotten. So I'm planting more seedlings so that I can get maybe a second crop in, so we will see. A couple more Brussels sprouts, lots of weeds. Today is weeding day, maybe. Some cucumbers that have not, they're just starting to do something for me now. And then we've got zucchini. Tall zucchini blooms too. Looks like there's actually a couple more zucchini coming on. I've only gotten one so far. Just yesterday I picked it, which seems to me to be pretty late. So here's the garden from this view here. Lots of tall stuff, pretty full. This is popcorn. I think it's atomic orange popcorn. Doesn't really like it back here, but we'll see what happens. Lots and lots of bumblebees going crazy. I have so many bumblebees this year, which is good. Pollinate, babies. Here are some butternut squash. I think they are doing okay. A little slow. I'd like to see some more on them, but maybe there's still plenty of time for butternut squash to do their thing. So here is the back garden, and I'm going to go get some bug spray on because the little things are bugging me. I'm going to come out here and do some weeding.